Hey everybody, welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today we're talking about gas cans.
No, we're talking about the SureCans.
The SureCan.
Gas cans.
SureCan gas cans.
Yes, these things, don't they look cool?
Yeah, well, I mean, it looks
top
like a gas
weight.
can, except there's this thing.
Exactly.
Tell me about this.
Well,
How does
there's
this
actually
work?
numerous things about this can that makes it amazing.
Okay, tell
so
me
we'll
about it.
start
Take me
with the
through it.
nozzle on the front. This rotates, so it's got a tether on the cap. You take the cap off,
Okay.
holds it on there.
Don't lose the cap.
Nozzle moves over 180 degrees.
Okay.
Say you want to drop gas, so you get over whatever you're doing, your mix, your regular gas. That's it.
We have a bucket back here. This
Yeah.
isn't. Yeah, raise it up a little bit so they can see it.
That's on Will's feet right now. So cuts off right away. So what I love about, look at, did you see how fast that?
Yeah.
Look, no, and by the way, this is water. It's not gasoline. But we do, what they've incorporated is there's an actual plunger at the bottom of this.
Okay.
So it's not like, oh, the gas from up here is still leaking. It's from that plunger on you get, so the spillage right afterwards on the cutoff isn't that much. It's got self-venting on these things, child-proof caps. So on the back, it's got a lock. So you can unscrew that. And this is something I really, really love. I mean, I know you guys think I overlook things sometimes, but when you're at the pump filling up, I don't want to fill through here or this small nozzle, so they put this nice big one on the back. And I feel like when you're constantly putting these on and off, you wear the seal out. Well, you don't have to because you never take the front of it off.
Yeah.
Yeah. These things are super durable. 6-layer, high-density plastic.
That's a thing that you want in a gas can, especially when Josh is around.
Well, I
He'll
put
just
them to
throw
the
these
test.
things around. Yeah, he really takes them, runs them through the ringer.
These polyethylene cans are amazing. So you get minimum spillage, the ease of use. The other thing that I really like about these, we took these out west now. I sent them out there.
Josh goes snowmobiling. Where do you go? Montana?
Canada, and we go Wyoming.
Okay, all over the place.
So these, I went out with them. We all put them on our snow bikes and sleds. I mean, the guys love these. The strap them down's really nice. The convenience, everything about them. So
yeah, and you don't. I think what I notice about them is that you're not you don't have to tip them all the way upside down to get all that gas out, and that's reducing the spill.
Yeah, and you hold them level. That's what you do. So this is a 5-gallon. They come in a 5 and a 2.2 gallon. They come in labeled in colors of diesel, kerosene, and gasoline. So that's yellow, blue, and red.
Okay.
But on the bottom here, you can see they even incorporated handles for if you're holding it. Excuse me. You can hold the side of it to help it out. So these, I mean, I don't know. I've been very impressed with these. The cost isn't bad. You know, you're going to pay $35 to $50 for the 5-gallon from the 2.2.
But it's so much better than the one that you have to get at the gas station when you run out of gas.
Or how about the self-venting? Well, I did have to help you that one time. So we won't talk about that. But so the other thing, I talked about the self-venting, but what I love is when these sit in the garage, they don't turn into these big balloons, you know?
Yeah.
They hold their form, their durability, their shape, and that's what I really like. Also the markings on the back, so when you're filling up, you can see how many liters or gallons you're putting in. If you're doing a mix or you're not doing a mix or whatever you want to do. But
it's a great product. It's the SureCan gas can. You can check them out at SureCanUSA.com. Start at about $37 for the 2.2. Stay tuned for more stuff we love.